Pleasant day to all of you. Today, we're going to demonstrate the Rule 13, 14, and 15 of collision and regulation. And I am Midshipman Ricardo Harvey. Before we start, let me introduce to you my group mates.
Hello, I'm Midshipman Reyes Carjansi.
I'm Midshipman Denciston P. De La Cruz.
I'm Midshipman Michael James Rodriguez.
We are Group 4.
An overtaking vessel is when coming up with another vessel from a direction more than 22.5 degrees above her wing. If the vessel is in doubt if she is overtaking, she shall assume that she is overtaking.
Rule 14, head-on situation. When two vessels meet on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal courses, each shall alter course to starboard. When a vessel is in any doubt as to whether such a situation exists, she shall assume that it does exist and act accordingly. Remember, please just keep in mind to show the other vessel your intention ahead of time.
Rule 15, crossing situation. When two vessels are crossing, the vessel which has the other on the starboard side must give way. Please remember to observe and monitor first before deciding on whether to alter the course or not.
I hope you learn about the Rule 13, 14, and 15 of collision and regulation. Thank you for watching.